Welcome. This is a video in the series, How to Rumble. In this video I will explain how you can make a thumbnail in Backsplash and add it to your channel. You can make a backsplash for instance in Photoshop. A good size for the backsplash is 2900 pixels wide and 300 pixels high. Click on File and Open to add the images you want to use. Choose the images by clicking on the photo. Click again on File and Open to add more images. Click on the background. Swipe the logo to the background. Design it the way you want. When it is finished, click on File and Export. Save it as a JPEG file and add it to a folder. Go to your account on Rumble. Choose My Content and choose My Channels. Click on Edit. Click on the Upload button next to the thumbnail image. Click also on the Upload button next to the Backsplash image. Don't forget to save it. Click on the channel name to watch the result. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a like and join my channel to watch more tutorials about how to rumble. Thanks again, and if you have a question, please use the comment box here below.